Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat account public from private. For that, you have to open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon, scroll down to privacy controls and adjust the following settings. First, you have to go for view my story, set it to my friends. Now back from here, go for contact me and change it to friends and contacts. Now back from here, for activity indicator, turn it on if you want others to see when you are active. Now back from this option, go for comment settings, choose auto approve everyone to allow public interaction, and that's it. From here and from your profile, go for public profile, upload public stories and spotlight content. Now for customizing your public profile details, go for the settings, enable public story replies, and many more, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.